In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off AI suggestions in Replit. If you've been seeing ghost text or automatic code predictions popping up while you type, and you'd prefer a cleaner, distraction-free editor, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to switch those off. The process is quick, and you can always turn it back on later if you change your mind. Start by opening your Replit workspace or dashboard, the place where you normally write and run your code. Make sure you're in the editor view so you can access the usual side panels and menus. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the panel that groups together tools and your file tree. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can see the full list of options available for your project. Next, open the area that contains tools and files. Depending on your layout, it may show as a section in the sidebar or as a panel that slides out with icons for your project resources. The goal here is simply to get to the controls that lead into your personal settings for the editor. From there, click on User Settings. This is typically represented by a small gear icon and opens a dedicated settings view. Inside that settings page, find and select the Code Editing section. Code Editing is where Replit groups options that affect how the editor looks, feels, and assists you as you type. It's the right place for toggling features like line numbers, indentation, and, importantly, AI-powered helpers. Now locate the control labeled AI code completion and switch it off. When this is disabled, the editor will stop suggesting code as you type and will no longer insert predictive completions automatically. Your typing experience should feel more manual and predictable, which can be helpful if you're learning, debugging, or simply prefer to write every line yourself. Most settings in Replit save automatically, so you shouldn't need to confirm anything. If you don't notice a change right away, briefly switch focus back to the editor or reopen the file you're working on to see the updated behavior. That's all you need to do. You can revisit the same code editing section at any time and turn AI code completion back on if you want the suggestions again. This gives you full control over how much assistance you get while coding. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined, distraction-free Replit editor.